Hello students, how to solve this problem? In this type of problem, firstly you have to solve denominator by rationalization method. In rationalization method, in Hindi, परिमेयकरण. In rationalization method, we can solve this by multiplying in numerator and denominator same number. Now you can get under root a upon a. In this type we have such type of question, then we can solve this by rationalization. 1 upon under root a, we have to change sign, we have minus, then we put plus, under root b upon under root a plus under root b. Now solve. We know that identity a minus b into a plus b got a square minus b square. This identity we use here, we can get in denominator under root a square means a minus b, in numerator under root a plus under root b. We put this identity here. Use of this equation, we can rationalize this. We have to rationalize this problem. Then 1 upon 3 minus root 8 multiply 3 plus root 8 in numerator and denominator both side, minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 given here. Rationalize this by multiplying root 8 plus root 7 both side in numerator and denominator both, plus root 7 minus we have given 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 multiplying root 7 plus root 6 both side, root 7 plus root 6. Then next term is minus root 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. Rationalize this by multiplying root 6 plus root 5 and root 6 plus root 5, plus last term is root 5 minus 2. Just rationalize this by same. Rationalize this by same. Root 5 plus 2 and root 5 plus 2. Solve all these numbers or all these problems. Now you know that we can put a minus b into a plus b, we get a square minus b square. Just same like this, you can in numerator we got 3 plus root 8, in denominator we got 3 into 3 9 minus under root 8 into under root 8 we got 8, minus here root 7 into root 8 and root 7, in denominator root 8 into root 8 minus root 7. Next term here root 7, sorry, minus, sorry, here is plus, plus root 7 plus root 6 in denominator 7 minus 6, here 7 minus next term is root 6 minus, sorry, root 6 plus root 5 upon 6 minus 5, और next term is, next and last term is plus root 5 plus 2 under in denominator 5 minus 4. Solve this. 3 plus root 8 in denominator we got 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, minus multiplying in both minus root 8 minus root 7 in denominator we got 1 plus root 7 plus root 6 in denominator we got 1 minus root 6 minus root 5 in denominator we got 1 plus root 5 plus 2 in denominator we got 1 here. Now solve this equation like 3 plus root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. Look, root 8 minus root 8 0, root 7 minus root 7 0, root 6 minus root 6 0, root 5 minus root 5 0. We have now 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5, means you have got a 5 is correct answer here. Answer is 5. Just share and like this video and subscribe this channel